Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Declared the most unique concept ever, the fictitious 2025 Rolls-Royce Luxury Off-Road 4x4 is a radical reimagining of automotive luxury that pushes the limits of exclusivity, richness, and capability. Although the extremely competent Cullinan SUV is already part of Rolls-Royce's inventory, a luxury off-road 4x4 concept would probably increase its toughness and custom-built character to previously unheard-of heights, making it a true custom commission for the most daring and discriminating customers. With a strong focus on off-road capabilities, the exterior of this idea would surely maintain Rolls-Royce's commanding presence and classic elegance. Imagine a design that skillfully combines the muscularity of a specially designed excursion vehicle with the stately majesty of a Rolls-Royce. This might entail robust architecture, a highly reinforced body and chassis that can be made of extremely strong, lightweight, and sophisticated materials to survive harsh environments, elevated stance and adaptive suspension. For unmatched ride comfort on any surface, a sophisticated, perhaps AI-controlled adaptive air suspension system with enormous travel and real-time terrain adaptations is combined with significantly more ground clearance. Aggressive wheel and tire package, superb traction in mud, sand, snow, or rough terrain thanks to specially made, enormous off-road tires placed on unusual, perhaps self-cleaning alloy wheels, deployable side steps that can be used as rock sliders, reinforced bumpers, and skid plates that are discreetly fitted. The Spirit of Ecstasy might be retractable for off-road adventures, and the classic Pantheon grille might be redesigned with a protective mesh. Functional elegance, carefully created with the same level of attention to detail as the interior. Functional features like integrated winches, recovery points, and custom roof racks made to carry specialist adventure gear are subtly included. Bespoke craftsmanship beyond boundaries. Each surface would be painstakingly made from the best, most resilient materials, chosen for their resilience as well as their luxury. Consider hand-polished metal accents that can endure the rigors of adventure, waterproof yet incredibly soft leathers, and sophisticated composite wood veneers. Configurable layouts. The inside may have incredibly adaptable, modular living and seating arrangements, enabling users to rearrange the area for unexpected bivouacs, adventure gear, or even a makeshift sleeping place. Cutting-edge off-grid technology, combining sophisticated power generation systems like a high-capacity, silent fuel cell or sophisticated solar arrays, reliable climate control systems that can provide perfect comfort in any situation, and satellite communication systems for the best connectivity possible wherever you are. Wellness and comfort. To help reduce the stress of an extended journey, elements like massage seats or customized ambient lighting may be included, as well as custom refrigerator units for gourmet food and air filtering systems for pure cabin air. The Observatory and Expedition Command Center would have stunning views of the outside thanks to panoramic glass roof parts, possibly with electrochromatic darkening. The cabin would become a sophisticated expedition command center with the help of advanced digital displays that would show external video feeds, vehicle diagnostics, and real-time topographical maps. This innovative idea would be propelled by a custom powertrain, most likely a powerful V12 engine or a cutting-edge electric propulsion system, optimized for maximum torque and smooth power delivery over a variety of terrains. Rolls-Royce's version of the ultimate off-road capability would be the 4x4 system, which features locking differentials, advanced terrain management systems, and possibly even individual wheel control for negotiating the most difficult obstacles while utilizing the brand's signature magic carpet ride. It would make a statement and serve as evidence of what may happen when the wild outdoors and Rolls-Royce's quest for perfection collide.